So here I have a folder on my computer with a bunch of photos. Now you'll notice that the message in these photos is all jumbled up. We can't quite read it just yet. Now if I zoom into these photos, you'll notice that the names of the photos, they have numbers in them. And it's our task to remove those numbers. And I wrote a program that does just that. Let me run it. The output window shows all of the files that were renamed. And if I look at the folders again, you'll notice that the photos have been renamed. Their names don't have any numbers in them anymore. Also, if I zoom out just a little bit, you'll notice that the photos are now revealing a message, which in this case is just some secret message. Let's build this program.